Welcome back. Before we begin discussing more about branding, we need to understand what is the mission that we're trying to accomplish throughout this course and what should we focus on to build our own successful brand. We have to focus on the following 7 goals. Everything else is just a tool that help us accomplish this goal. And these goals are the core fundamental of building your successful brand. The first goal is emotions. Understanding our customer emotion is essential for building our own successful brand. It's very important for us to fulfill our audience emotion and bridge the gap between us and them. You should always ask yourself, what type of emotion am I trying to establish with my audience? Is it about love? Do I want them to love me? Or is it about joy? Do I want them to feel happy when they see me? The second goal is desires. It's very important for us to feed the human desire. Look around you at all the big brands. They all work in the business of human desire. Ask yourself, what type of desire are we trying to satisfy? Is it happiness? Is it food? Is it sensual desire? Is it power or security? The third goal is differentiation. In order for us to succeed, we have to innovate. Innovation does not mean that we have to create a new product. We may have an old product, but represent it in a new way to a new segment of people. And always ask yourself, how can I differentiate and stand out from the competition? The fourth goal is one of the hardest goals, is trust. Without trust, no one is going to deal with us. We may have the prettiest product in the universe with the cheapest price ever. But if no one is aware of our good quality, or if we cheat once, then we are really screwed. Ask yourself, how can we establish a solid, trustworthy relationship with our audience? Is this through customer service? Is this through great product? The fifth goal is value. We must deliver a valuable product. People are always eager to trade their money and time for a high-value product that help improve their life quality and efficiency. And always ask yourself this simple question. How can we use the least amount of materials and content to simplify and deliver a valuable and meaningful content? The sixth goal is connection. We need to build a brand that allows our audience to be connected to us and to other people as well. At the end, it's really not about us. It's all about how strong we're connected with the outside world. Always ask yourself, how can we connect and share our customer emotions throughout our brand experience? The seventh goal is belongingness. Our brand should be the center of our audience universe. Our brand experience should allow different types of people who share the same habits, goals, and belief to be safely together and feel included. Ask yourself, how can you support your audience, personality, and beliefs? Now, with these 7 goals in mind, we will be using throughout the course 5 steps to accomplish these 7 goals. The first step is your idea. You need to have a specific idea. Your idea cannot be vague. This idea must be valuable for people, and it needs to have mission and a vision. And by mission and vision, I mean this idea must have a purpose. Why do you have this idea, and what are you planning to do with this idea? The second step is your idea positioning. Positioning has to do with the environment and unique selling proposition. What is the offering that you're giving to people so they're willing to pay their money? And what differentiates you from your competition? The third step is your idea personality and attitude. And that means, what type of person do you want to be perceived? Are you a powerful person? Are you a funny person? Are you a caring person? We will be talking about that more in depth later on. The fourth step is your idea attractiveness. Idea attractiveness has to do with the outlook feeling of your idea. How the overall outlook of your idea is perceived by people. It has to do with colors, visuals, and design. It also has to do with your attention to small details. High details product perceived as high value product, while poor quality details product perceived as low value product. And last but not least, the fifth step is your idea connection and communication. Connection and communication means how would you connect and communicate your idea with others? What type of communication channel are we trying to use to connect with our audience? Is it social media? Is it commercials? Is it printed ads? Is it local event? And it also has to do with your brand overall experience. How do you want people to share and connect on a deeper level with your brand experience? And what kind of platform are they going to use to share your brand experience with the rest of the world? Now, these 7 goals and 5 steps will be our guidelines throughout the course to build our successful brand. Please go and download the PDF file, read through it, then if you have any question, leave me a message. I will see you in the next chapter.